As someone who loves the idea of having custom designs but doesn't love the high price tag that comes with it, I started looking into different platforms that offer more affordable options without compromising quality. That's when I came across 99designs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to get into everything that you need to know, from what they offer, their pricing, how it can help you make money, and my personal experience using them. And by the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of whether 99designs is the best option for your next project, and more importantly, if it's worth your money. And if you decide to give 99designs a try, I've got an affiliate link down in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a discount that isn't available directly on their website. And so without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so 99designs is an online platform that connects clients with professional graphic designers from all over the world. It's a place where you can get custom designs for almost anything, whether you need a new logo, website design, or even product packaging. 99designs originally started as part of a website called SitePoint back in 1999, where designers would participate in contests just for fun. But in 2008, it officially launched as its own company, offering clients a way to get professional designs through design competitions. This means you can either run a contest and have designers submit their ideas, or you can hire someone directly if you like their work. And today, it's actually one of the most popular design platforms out there, known for connecting people who need quality designs with talented designers while giving you a range of options and styles to choose from. Okay, so getting started with 99designs is pretty straightforward. First, you'll create a free account and choose the type of design that you need, whether it's a logo, website, or something like product packaging. Once you've picked a category, you can browse through different styles to see what catches your eye and get a better idea of your design preferences. After that, you'll fill out a short form to let the designers know exactly what you're looking for. Things like your preferred colors, specific details, and the overall feel you want for the design. It's a quick process and only takes a few minutes, but it really helps the designers understand your vision. Next, choose a package that best fits your needs. 99designs offers 4 options: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, each with different prices and levels of designer experience. The higher the package, the more experienced designers you'll get, and the more submissions you'll receive. You can also add extras, like making your contest private or boosting your project to attract top designers. Once your project goes live, it's time to sit back and wait for the designs to start coming in. And depending on the package and delivery time, you could see entries within a day or two. As you receive concepts, you can rate them, give feedback, or even eliminate the ones that don't match what you're looking for. After narrowing it down, you can pick your finalists and work closely with them, requesting tweaks until you're fully satisfied with the final design. When you find the one that's perfect, choose your winner, finalize any details, and download your files. Plus, you get full copyright ownership once the project is complete. That being said, when it comes to pricing, 99designs offers 4 different packages to fit different needs. Starting with a bronze plan, this is the most budget-friendly option at around $300 and is great if you're looking for basic design options without breaking the bank. With this plan, you can expect around 30 design concepts from a range of designers, which gives you a decent variety to choose from. Next up, we have the silver plan, which costs around $500 and gives you access to more experienced designers and around 60 design submissions. It's a solid mid-range choice if you want a good balance between cost and quality, offering more diversity in style and creativity. After that, the gold plan would be the right option for you if you want top-tier designs and is priced at around $900. This option limits submissions to high-level designers, so you're more likely to receive polished, professional designs right from the start, and is a great choice if you have a bigger budget and want to make sure you're working with designers who have more experience. And lastly, there's the Platinum plan, which is the most premium option at just under $1,300. With this plan, you'll get around 60 design concepts and have access to the top-level designers on the platform. But what really makes it stand out is the dedicated project manager included to guide you through the entire process, making sure everything stays on track. So if you're looking for the highest quality and want the best possible experience, this plan is probably your best option. But all 4 plans include 99designs core features, like full copyright ownership and a 60-day money-back guarantee, if you're not satisfied with the final design. And no matter which plan you choose, you can always add optional features, like making your contest private. And just to reiterate, if you decide to give 99designs a try, I've got an affiliate link down in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a discount that isn't available directly on their website. Now, 99designs can really help you make more money in your business. Think of it this way: a professional logo, nice packaging, or a well-designed website can help your brand look more trustworthy and stand out from the rest. This first impression builds trust, making customers more likely to choose your products and services. Better branding doesn't just look good, it directly impacts your sales. Plus, by using 99designs, you're getting access to a global pool of talent, which means more creative options to represent your brand perfectly. So investing in custom designs through 99designs is more than just aesthetics. It's about building a brand that customers trust, helping you grow your business and boost your profits in the long run. Alright, let's talk about what it's like to actually use 99designs, and I'll share a bit about my personal experience with their platform too. One thing I really like is how simple the entire process is. When you first start a design contest, 99designs guides you through each step, from picking the type of design that you need to filling out a short brief that covers your style and preferences. It's laid out in a way that makes it super easy, even if you're not familiar with design terms or aren't sure where to start. What really stands out is how interactive the entire experience is. You're not just sitting back and waiting for designs to roll in. You get to give feedback on each one, suggest changes, and work directly with designers to shape the final product. This back and forth makes sure you're getting exactly what you want, which is something you don't always get with other platforms. From my own experience, I used 99designs for a website project, and I went with a silver package. I ended up getting around 25 different design concepts and was honestly impressed by the variety and creativity and how willing the designers were to make changes based on my feedback. They were responsive and more than happy to tweak things until I was fully satisfied with the final design. But just keep in mind that you're working with designers from all over the world, which can cause a slight delay in communication, especially if your designer is in a different time zone. It's not a huge issue, but it's something to consider if you're on a tight deadline. Most of the time, they're quick to respond, but just be prepared for a bit of back and forth depending on where your designer is located. All in all, my experience was really positive. The platform is easy to use, the designers are talented and open to feedback, and I ended up with a website design that I'm really happy with. So wrapping up this video, would I recommend 99designs? Absolutely. Especially if you're looking for a platform that offers professional designs without the trouble of hiring a full-time designer. It's a great option for anyone who wants high-quality work, while still having a lot of creative control and flexibility throughout the process. Plus, the ability to see multiple design concepts and interact directly with designers is a big advantage over other services. So whether you need a new logo, a full brand package, or even something more complex like a website design, 99designs has a range of plans that can fit different budgets and project sizes. And so the quality and variety you get really do make it worth the investment. Anyway, that's all for this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. And just to reiterate one more time, if you want to give 99designs a try, I've included a link down in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and it might even get you a discount that's not available directly on their website. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the description down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.